Welcome everyone to Cooking with Chef Lasagna, and here he is, Chef Lasagna! Yay! Oh, hello, I'm Chef Lasagna here, and here's a new show called Cooking with Chef Lasagna. Welcome. So here is my little cooking area. It's got everything you need: ovens, spatulas, some kind of seasonings, and even a mystery box. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cake. Alright, so, first things first, our mystery ingredient is these little red flower things. Alright, so this is actually part of the cake. It makes it have a really nice taste, actually. Tastes kind of like fruit. Alright, let's get started. Oh yeah, and today we have our taste tester. At the end of the show, we get to eat the cake, me and Mikey All-Star. And you too, Phil. Oh yeah! Alright, so let's get started on baking this cake. So what you'll need is that red stuff, flour, some sprinkles I guess, frosting, and maybe some wheat too. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what I start off with doing is cutting these up into little chops. Hi-ya! There we go, now it's a nice little disc. That's all the flavoring you'll need. Sure, this looks like a small cake, but you'll see what it grows into. Next, we have to add the wheat. There you go. You might be asking, hey, why so much wheat? Well, you'll see in a second why we need a lot of wheat. Next, we want to put in on the, let me think. Oh yeah, the frosting and the extra stuff that goes on cakes. And there we go, I think we're ready to cook. Alright, let's put it in the microwave. In the oven. You have to set it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I usually go for 11 minutes. That works the best. So, okay, let's put it in the oven. Alright, it's in the oven. Alright, while that's cooking, let's make the topping stuff, alright? So we're gonna need some more of that little red flour stuff, and some nice water, and I think cream cheese. Yeah, let's go with that. To make a nice frosting, okay? Alright, so here's the pot. You want to add a red flour and some cream cheese and some milk. And some other stuff too. Just pay attention, I'll tell you what we're adding. Alright, so the cream cheese and milk are in. Next we add a rock and a red spider, okay? Alright, so let's go check on that cake. Oh wait, I forgot. You have to mix it up. Alright, let's mix it up. Alright, you want to make sure that you mix it for about 30 seconds. Alright, and go. Okay, and perfect. Alright, now it should be nice and liquidy. You may want to take out that spider and rock too. I'm not sure why we put that in there. Hey, wait a second, that's not on the ingredients. Oh, oops, that was accidentally for my holiday decoration list. Oh, oops. Alright, we took out the spider and the rock, and now it's ready. Let's see if our cake's ready. Alright, the cake bell will be going off any time now. And alright, the cake's ready. See, I told you the cake was really big. Now all I have to do is scoop up some of that frosting and put it on top. But of course, I already did that, so. And that's how you make a cake. Let's see how it tastes. Oh man, this cake is good. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yay! Wow, so guys, thanks for watching, and that's how you make a cake. Yep, join us again in the next episode. I'm not sure what we're gonna cook, but it'll be great. So, see you soon. Yay, Mikey Sound!